Dinner in Mexico City. Cheers. They're living it up in Miami Beach. We're on our part 2 of our vacation. Mommy had a great time in Miami Beach, and yeah, looking forward to Mexico City. This is Mommy's second time, my first time. We're super excited. So we're about to board soon. Miami was great. We're here for like about 2 days. So yeah. Bye bye. Are you excited? Yes. Mexico, Mexico, here we go. We're out for our first dinner in Mexico City. Cheers. We're doing a hop on, hop off tour. Nearly got lost trying to figure out where the tour starts, but we're here. So today's a holiday and we didn't realize that until the cab driver told us. So not a lot of things are going to be open today, like museums and stuff like that. So we're just going to see what we can see and just take in the city. I think this is a great way to take in the city, especially if you're going like with a family and stuff like that.
Girls, look the next one. The next car.
Whoa, that was one.
So you want to
Hey, get your tequila, get your tequila. Tequila, baby.
It's just a little shot.
Oh my gosh, it's so early in the morning. So here's the thing, I got a new camera, the Sony ZV-1. Finally got a camera, but a lot of the clips that I wanted to use for this vlog were really unstable and unsteady, so I couldn't use them. So what we'll do is just talk about some general information in terms of Mexico City and Mexico that would be useful if you're planning a trip or thinking about visiting soon. So before we jump into talking about just general information about Mexico City, I do have a detailed and easy to follow travel guide, and it's a 7-day itinerary. I'll just leave the link down below. And what I find is that a lot of people find travel planning overwhelming, which it is, because it takes a lot of time and research. So what I did was basically did all the research for you and included it in this guide. Okay, so now let's just dive into it. One of the main things I get asked is like, why Mexico City? Why not Tulum? Why not Cancun? Why not Cabo? Why not so much different areas? So Mexico is such a big and diverse country in the sense that it accommodates so much different kinds of travelers, you know, like in Mexico City, you get a different vibe. It's more like historical and cultural. Whereas if you go to like let's say Cancun, it's more so like all-inclusive resorts. I think it's necessarily why I chose Mexico City, but for me, Mexico is one of those countries that I'm probably gonna visit several times. So I'm just taking my time visiting different areas. Some general information to know when it comes to Mexico City. So Mexico City, you are in a city, one of the largest cities in North America. So keep that in mind. So everything you would have in a big city, you have in Mexico. So some days me and my mommy didn't want to go to a restaurant and we got Uber Eats to the hotel, and that was super convenient. One of the things I always do is get a SIM card. I don't know if any of you like to room. Not really a thing for me because it's super expensive, but I get a SIM card. You can buy a SIM card in the airport. I can't remember the convenience store that I got the SIM card from, but nonetheless, it's in the airport. So a SIM card is really convenient because just having data to use Google Maps, Google Translate, especially if you're not fluent in Spanish, and also Uber as well. So Uber is a big thing in Mexico as well, and we definitely used Uber a lot along with taxis, but mostly Uber. Those are just some tips I want you to keep in mind when you're travel planning. But of course, if you want to find out definitely a lot more detailed information, you can click the link down below. I could honestly say we had such a good time, and I think it was because I think when you go to the all-inclusives and those other areas, you kind of know what to expect. You didn't really know what to expect from Mexico City. Maybe if we were going to like an all-inclusive resort, but yeah, we just didn't know what to expect. We found a lot of like hidden gems, a lot of things like you don't find on Instagram. So that was nice too, because I feel like sometimes like when you're going to a destination, you get like overwhelmed with like certain Instagrammable spots, but there are a lot of others that you miss out too. And I find like with Mexico City, there are a lot that gets missed out because a lot of people opt for the all-inclusives, which is completely fine. So in general, I just want to thank you for watching. I'm definitely gonna do better on my videography skills. Make sure to check the link down below. If you want to know more about the Sony ZV-1, maybe you're like just getting into blogging, comment down below any questions that you have. If you are planning to go to Mexico and just have some little questions that you want to flesh out, you could also comment down below. All of my socials is down below as well that you can contact me. But thank you guys for watching.